This morning, well, I'm just working this morning out on the farm, out fooling with all my chickens. And we've had a predator come in, and either a skunk or a possum has come in. Right there. That's where they're coming in. And they're jumping from the tree down or climbing up the building. Hello, everybody. Well, yesterday I sat out a whole bunch of traps trying to find what was hurting my animals. And today I went to work, so I come home and I'm going to check all my traps to see if I have caught anything. So we're going on a trap check and see if I need to reset them or whatever. So I'm going to take you guys around to see if we've caught anything in our traps. So come along, we'll see what we got, if we got anything. I sat back toward the back where there's always something coming in. There's a chicken back there. Here, move, chick. See if we got anything back here. No. This one's still empty. This one's still empty. So we don't have nothing in that one. We'll have to reset that, just set it different, maybe in a different spot. Okay. Then we set one over here by our big tree where a lot of things come in. Wait, I have to keep Frankie in. Frankie, he just hasn't, when he gets out now, he wants to go on the porch and he wants to eat my broom. And we can't do that or the chair. But yeah, we're going to go down toward the building and see if we got anything down there. Get away, boys, get away. We've got something in this cage, guys. Something in our cage. So I'm going to take you along to see what we caught that must have, maybe it got the little chicken, maybe it didn't, because there's a big mountain over here that anything could come down. But I'm going to show you what we have caught in our cage. But we'll be taking him off tonight. There's a nice graveyard about I guess 10 miles from here, and we'll be taking this one off. Here's the cage. See if you see its little face. There it is. Get away from there, Mo. Right there. It looks like a baby possum. But they can be mean, real mean. Get away from there. My dogs want to, they all, look at that one. Look. Now tell me, those teeth can't hurt you. Look. Even though it's a baby, they can hurt you. Okay, move, boys. Well, I'm going to sit him in the shade because I don't want to kill him. I mean, I know most people would. Move, Moses. Don't get around the... Or let's put him where there's grass or... There. But he has to be took off. But yeah, I knew something was getting the babies, and maybe he's one of them. But he needs to go somewhere else and play and eat dinner. Not here on the farm. But yeah, guys, these are great. Anybody that's got a farm, anything messing around the chicken coop at night, usually you'll catch. But yeah, and the choice of food we put here, oh, I'm sorry. The choice of food that I put here was peanut butter. And I just smeared it on that, and yeah, he likes peanut butter. But there he is, guys. He's just a baby. This ain't a big possum. But they will kill your chickens if they get in. Alright, guys. I just wanted to show you what comes around here at night. And he's growling now. He's afraid of the dogs, which I understand. They scared of dogs, but yeah, he's growling. Alright, guys, I'm going to reset these traps, put them back out tonight, and hopefully catch mama, because this is his baby. Hope you guys had a good day today. Bye-bye.